Guys, yay! Go shorty, it's your birthday. Gonna party tonight, it's your birthday. Charlie Lewis no me, but I like that song, but that song is from 50 Cent. So what I say, yeah. Go shorty, it's your birthday. Gonna party tonight, it's your birthday. Hey. Alright, guys, this is Alert with your boy King Jab. Charlie, Asani there, ya boom, hey, ya boom. Big ups to all my fans watching me. Yeah. So, yes, Alert with King Jab and one bringing the trending stories. Something happened, with Rick Ross, and then 50 Cent was, he came out and then sharing his idea about what happened. So, guys, before I get into the story, let's watch this video. Okay, guys, with the video now you share, I must say then, I mean ready with the kind. So 50 Cent reacts to Rick Ross. Can Rick Ross? So Rick Ross allegedly being caught hugging and kissing a man on a yacht in Miami. Also then, 50 Cent said, yeah man was looking real saucy, kissing that boy on that boat. That's not AI. That's what 50 Cent was saying. American was saying, Yama was looking real saucy, kissing that boy on the yacht. That's not AI. I'm not trying to sound like 50 Cent American that shit, bro. So Rick Ross, no me. I don't know say Rick Ross is gay. Actually, if you video now, Rick Ross. When say Rick Ross no, the body big. I don't know who is the receiver, who is the King Jab, be careful, oh. King Jab, be careful. Once I record not soon, I want no for. The tone is so chicken one. See, I don't know who is the top. I can't say that. I don't know. They call it top or down, or who is the top or B. Until when say record na edge, and I say aquani na edge. Hey, 50 Cent, he doesn't like that kind of thing. No, he hates those things. He doesn't like those things. What you must say. So this is what 50 Cent came to say concerning the trendy video on Rick Ross with the guy that they were kissing. Oh, that's so disgusting. So guys, let's take a look at the video once again. Hey, I fed the beer. Go shorty, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Guys, give me the title of the song. What's my say? Put it in the comment section. And then add your name, #KGS. Put the title of the song for me in the comment section. So in my next video, I'm going to play it. Go shorty. Maybe I'm playing the copyright shouldn't catch me. So go shorty, it's your birthday. America, most of the American artists are doing this kind of same sex, that kind of. You know what happened to Didi, that's my see the baby oil. She feed me and they say, Oba, na a chill sound or the fun says waiting cucumbatiano or the fun sound, not chilly. So now I deny kiki say ya. So now be mu yedidi and your bounce so bema. Oh Charlie, slow. So guys, anyway, that's 50 Cent comment on Rick Ross. So I can say Rick Ross, yes. We can say bro is snitching. He's not snitching. I say this is not AI. This is not AI. This is real and shit, bro. Anyway, this is our little boy King Jab. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, King Jab Studios. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Yes, and follow us on TikTok at King Jav Studios, Instagram at King Jav Studios 1, Facebook as Thread is King Jav Studios. So what's my say? And also with our new thing going on, if you want us to give you a shout out in our next coming videos, in our next videos, in this current video as you're watching me right now, kindly share your comments and then leave your name with an hashtag KJS. It's either myself or Eminent is gonna give you the shout out in our next video. Yes, so kindly follow us and all. Thank you. I'm out.